everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Maggie. Today we're going to be looking at my Project Use It Up items for quarter two. So I've been doing a quarterly Project Use It Up for the last couple of years. I was inspired by Megan from Meg's Makeup 8 because she always does these. For me, I stick to non-makeup items. So I have body care, hair care, skin care, things like that I try to work on and use up in the quarter. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what products I want to be working on in the next quarter. I do a update about halfway through, about that 6-week mark, so I can share with you what I've already finished up, what progress I have, and kind of it helps me remember, oh yeah, I'm supposed to be working on that in case if I ever forget. So if that sounds interesting, I would love for you to subscribe and hang out. And let's just go ahead and dive in, shall we? So I have a lot going on here, and I'm just gonna pick and pull, and we'll go through it all. So the biggest thing in here in my basket that's gonna free up some space is my lotion. So this is from my first quarter Project Use It Up, and I did not quite finish it. So this is the Alba Botanica Very Emollient Body Lotion in the Coconut Rescues, which has a slight coconut scent. And as you can see, I have markings on here. So this is where I started quarter one. That was my halfway update, and this is where I finished quarter one. So I only have about this much left, which I'm very confident I can finish up. But I don't really want to start working on another lotion when this still has some product in it. I love this lotion, so it's not like twisting my arm to try to use it or anything like that. So I would like to use this up. I hope to have this much done by the first update. I'm pretty confident I can do that as long as I'm consistent with it. So this is kind of like a gimme product, but that's okay. I still want to finish it up in the next quarter. Let's continue on the body care items. So I have a scrub here. This is from an Etsy brand called Canna Soapworks. I love her scrubs. They are like a whipped soap scrub, so it has some exfoliation in it, but it's not as harsh as like a Tree Hut scrub, which I really love, but just for a different purpose. This is kind of like a scrub, and then with the water in the shower, it emulsifies and it becomes kind of bubbly, and it's just like a normal body wash. So I really like using these. The one that I want to work on for the next quarter is the Mango Papaya scent. So it has this really cute packaging on it, and it's brand new. I haven't used it at all, but it smells so fruity and delicious. Like it kind of smells like a cocktail, almost like a daiquiri or something. But I'm excited. I've used up one of these about every quarter for the past year. I really love them, so I'm happy to have another one to focus on. Okay, I also have 2 body soap bars, I guess. These are from Lush. They are the naked shower gels, but cut up. Lush has discontinued this product, so you can't even get it anymore, and that's why I'm trying to work through them. So I have a purple bar and a pink bar. Basically, I use this scrub about once a week, and because it is kind of like a soap and a scrub in one, I will just use this and not also wash my body with one of these. But on days that I'm not using the scrub, this is what I use to wash my body. So I have a purple bar and a pink bar that I would like to go through. These lather up nicely. I use it with a loofah, but that is where I'm starting, is with a pink and a purple one. And that is going to be my goal. I do count them individually. Like the pink is one line item that I finished, the purple's another. Looking in here, I think that is all of, oh, no, I lied, there is one more body product. This is also from Lush. This was a sample from an order I got once upon a time. This is the Lush Ultra Balm. So it's kind of just like an all-purpose balm or salve. So I don't have that much left in here. Oh, there's a cat hair in here. That's cute. Let me get that out. Lovely. I don't have that much left in here. It's pretty much all across the sides, but I like to use this for my cuticles, for my heels, just anywhere that's extra dry. Oh, it's kind of slippery. Anyway, I would like to finish this up because there's really not that much left in here. And with the summer coming up, I want to make sure my heels are looking cute for sandals and all of that. And that means I need to keep them hydrated. So I think this should be easy to use up. I just need to remember to use it. So I'm going to put it right on my nightstand, like right there in my face. So I hopefully don't forget it or don't overlook it really. Okay. Now we're out of the body care items. Let's go in. I have one hair care product and the rest is facial products. So my hair care product is a shampoo. This is from Avalon Organics. It's the Clarifying Lemon Shampoo. So it says it's supposed to remove buildup, and restore brightness and shine. I certainly think a clarifying shampoo is a good idea for my hair. I use dry shampoo, I use hair oil, I use a variety of products. And now that we're getting into the spring and summer, I like heat style my hair for it to be straight. I actually have naturally curly hair, like ringlets curly. So in the summertime, I live in northern Minnesota on a lake. It is so dang humid that it's not even worth my energy fighting my hair to remain straight. Because if I were to straighten my hair, by the end of the day that I straightened it, it would already be frizzy and kind of curly. So in the summer, I just don't mess with my hair with heat tools. And then after, it starts to get a little bit cooler in the fall, that's when I pick back up. So with that being said, I'm going to be having like more curl cream in my hair and just more products. So I'd like to get in the habit of using this shampoo more. I don't know if I'll finish it. My goal is going to be to use it once a week. I really only wash my hair maybe 2, maybe 3 times a week. So once a week is, I feel like, pretty good. I have used a little bit of this before. I believe I've finished one of these before too. I actually got this at TJ Maxx, but I don't know if you can really tell where the line is, but it's right here underneath this like bolded wording on the second line is where I'm at. So I think this should be okay. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to finish it all in a quarter, but I'd like to use it once a week because I think anything more than that might be too much for my hair, like too much dripping, but hopefully that'll help. And like I said, we live on a lake, so I go swimming in the lake and it'll just help to get everything out, you know? One of the goals that I had in the first quarter was to use a face mask once a week. And so that was like 12 times. And I really enjoyed that goal. The face mask I was focusing on, my attention on, was this Milk Makeup mask. It's the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask, and it's kind of like in the scroll up stick type packaging, which I really enjoy. I do have maybe like 1 or 2 uses left in here, so I plan to finish this up. But I think my goal is going to be, again, to mask 12 times in total, but I would like to finish this one up, and then once this is done, I have a variety of other face masks in my collection, so I thought I would just like quickly show that to you. I don't know if I'll finish any others. I would kind of like to bounce around a little bit more because I was only using this one in the first quarter. So a couple of the other face masks I have this Herbivore Blue Tansy one. I really, really like this. This is a resurfacing mask. It has AHA and BHA in it, so it really exfoliates. If you have like a lot of congestion or texture, this is a great mask. It's super lightweight too. It's kind of like a gel, so it's easy to use, and it doesn't like suck everything out of your pores, but it definitely makes a difference in my skin. So I would like to, work this in there. Like I said, it doesn't have to be finished. And I also have, speaking of like pore masks and like clay masks, this is in a old Lush container, the mask of Magnum and Tea, but it's actually not that mask. This is the Indian Healing Clay Mask, so I have some powder in there. I have the full-size tub, but it's so dang big that I just like to put some in here to use. But this is basically a loose powdered clay that you mix with either water or apple cider vinegar. I just use water because I feel like the apple cider vinegar is too much for my skin. So it makes a paste and you apply it to your skin. This is called the most powerful mask for a reason. It's seriously like your face will pulse if it's on for too long, and it pulls everything, all of the oil out of your pores, which I have oily skin. So I think I'd like to use this maybe like once a month, which would be like 3 times of the 12 because it's very powerful. And I feel like if I use it more, it could really like change my skin too much, like maybe make it from oily to extremely dry. And I don't really want that to happen. But I would like to clear out my pores a little bit more and help with that oil control. So this is one that I would like to use, but again, it probably will not be used up. And then I also have these 3 samples. These are from Bliss. I got them in a little kit from Target around the holiday season. It came with this, some hand creams, some serums. Like, it was an awesome kit. And it came with 3 face masks. So this one is the Mighty Marshmallow, which is a brightening mask. I've never used this one. This is the What a Melon Reviving and De-Stressing Overnight Mask. That would be nice to use. And I also have the Pumpkin Powerhouse Mask. So between these 3, I'm sure if I like really focused on one, it could be done. But again, I just kind of want to get to know my masks a little bit more. And play around with them. So I definitely plan to finish this one up, this milk one, and then the rest I will kind of, pick and choose. But I plan then to update you on my halfway update of which ones I've been using, kind of like the rundown. I have a moisturizer here that I am currently working on that I'd like to finish up. This is a like mini size. I don't know if it's like half or less, but this is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I really enjoy this. If you like the smell of banana Laffy Taffies, this is the moisturizer for you. It kind of got rolled around in my basket, but there's really not that much left in there. I'm definitely like starting to scrape the sides. So I'd like to finish this up. It's very, very comfortable to wear. I do enjoy it, but I just like to finish it. I don't want to like hoard onto moisturizers forever, but I would, if I could get like a nice Glow Recipe kit and this was in there, I'd be very happy. I really do enjoy this. And when that is done, I have another moisturizer I'd like to use, and this is from Clean & Clear. It's the Watermelon Gel Moisturizer for oily skin. I bought this last year, probably about a year ago now that I think about it. And it's really nice. I do like this. It is pretty lightweight, so in the fall and winter I had to stop using it because it just wasn't heavy enough for me. But now that we're getting into spring and summer, I think this would be a good fit. And I actually, crazy turn of events, I actually got a second one of these. I was traveling for work and Delta couldn't get my bag onto my second flight in time, like when I had a layover. So when I got home, my bag wasn't there, and I went to Walgreens to get like basic skincare stuff so I could wash my face that night, and picked up this moisturizer. So I actually have two of these, but this is the original one. And so I would like to finish this one up because I already know I have a second one ready to go when this is done. I can't really tell, like there's no window in here. I can't tell how much I have. I do know it's the type of thing that like it pumps up. It's an airless pump. So one day it'll just stop pumping and then we'll know that we're done. But I would like to use this after I finish the banana one. And that will be kind of the plan. Okay, I have two more items left. This one is the Derma E Overnight Peel AHA Hydroxy Acids. This is a fantastic serum if you're looking for something to resurface your skin with that exfoliation. I accidentally had it tipped over, so I don't have a mark on it yet. It's still settling in, but I will make a mark when I have it all settled again and it's standing upright. But I use this once or twice a week. I have my skincare on a rotation, so I have 3 different serums that I like to use. I have a exfoliating serum like this, like an AHA. I have a retinol, and then I have a hydrating type serum. And what I do is each night I just rotate through. So like if I use this tonight, tomorrow I'll use my retinol, and the day after that I will use my hydrating, and I just sort them through. I have the shelf with my skincare, and I seriously just use it and put it at the back of the line, and they rotate through. So on average, I'm using it about 2 times a week. Sometimes the week ends up where I use it 3, like technically in a calendar week, but basically 2 times a week. And I use like 2 pumps to do my face and my neck. So yeah, I do think that I can finish this up by the end of the quarter. But I don't know that I'll have it done by the halfway point. I think I'm around here-ish, but like I said, once this settles, I will let you know for sure. And then I had one other item. It's a perfume, kind of slipped through the cracks. I would have talked about this in the body section, but this is a rollerball of the Hane Marie. Never knew how to accurately pronounce this. This is the butterfly perfume. I've used up a full size of this before, but I do believe this is now discontinued. It's a really pretty, like light floral fruity scent. It's lovely, and it's the perfect time of year to use it in the spring. So I have used, I would say about half of it. I would say if you can see where the lettering is on the actual bottle, I'm at the I of Marie. So that is where I'm at. I don't have that much left. I should be able to have this done by the first half if I really want to, like focus on using it. But I think this is really nice perfume. It doesn't last super well on my skin, so it's probably like could reapply it, throughout the day if I really wanted to power through it. But I don't want to like use it and abuse it. Like I want to use it and enjoy it. So we'll see if this is done by the first update or not, but it definitely will be done by the end of the quarter. Looking at my list on my computer here, that is actually everything. I have quite a few products that I'm going to be focusing on, but I'm really excited. I love picking out the new items for the next quarter and kind of like shopping my stash. I just grab my little basket and go around throughout the cupboards and cabinets and stuff. So that is going to be it for me. Let me know down below if you're doing something similar. I would love to follow along and track your progress. I super duper appreciate you guys taking some time out of your day to watch this video. It means the world to me. And if you'd like to make sure that you're notified when I do an update, subscribe. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.